So here I'm visiting instantdomainsearch.com/domain/generator. This is one of the popular websites most of the pro bloggers use to find expert domains. They used to find domain names which are on sale. Also, they use this website to generate business name or domain name idea completely free by using this website. I'm going to attach the link into the video description for you. And now let's generate a domain name idea for our blog. So let's say I want to create a blog site which is going to be on the topic of passive income. So I'm going to type out my keyword here, passive. And if you just notice, instantly we are seeing lots of domain name ideas, as you can see here. So if you just notice the first one, passive.com, and we are seeing a note here who is information, that means this domain name is already been purchased by someone else. But if you notice this one, which is buy, you'll be able to select this domain name and you'll be able to purchase this domain name from any resellers. So let's see, as you can see here, artpassive.com, passivetv.com, passiveon.com, and you are going to find many other really impressive greatest domain ideas from this website completely free. So let's say I have selected hipassive.com as my domain name and it's time to purchase the domain and hosting plan on Bluehost.